You might want to choose transitions. Now there are a lot, so I would just go with the basic one and show you where you can find transitions. Now, let's apply some basic transitions. Go back to your editing tab or open Window and Workspaces and click on Editing. From this workspace, go to the Effect window between your Preview and Program window. Open up the video transition map, and that is where you can choose from multiple transitions. I'm just going with a slide effect. I will go with a push effect. Click and hold on it and drag it to the beginning or the end of a clip. Then release it to apply. As you can see, the yellow area is showing where it will be applied. In this case, it only wants to apply this effect on one layer, but we want it to be a transition, so it should be applied on 2 layers. In order to make this transition work, we need to give it a little bit more freedom. To do that, just shorten the beginning or the ending of the clip depending on where you want it. You could see a gray triangle indicating that you should shorten it by a few frames if you want to apply a transition. To remove the gap between the clips, click in between and then press the delete or backspace keys. Or you could do it by yourself by clicking and dragging one clip to another. And as you can see, the yellow area covers both layers. So now we can apply the transition. There we go. Our first PowerPoint lookalike transition is applied.